Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V, aka Veronica. Well, today's video is a VR for Crafty Mama Panda. She is having a giveaway challenge. It ends on November 15th. In order to enter her challenge, you would have to send her a memorydex card, and this is mine right here. I did go with Halloween. You're able to go with any theme, and I love how this turned out. I'm using some paper ribbon that was gifted to me by Sparkling Ghoul, and also I'm using the witch dangle and the cauldron dangle that was gifted to me in a winnings by Craft Purge. And as you can see in the back, I have a huge cauldron. That is a Sizzix Bigs die. I have a bat, and that is SVG. And I have a shaker star, and then I'm using the Spooky Collection by Pebbles. Extras, you're able to send an embellishment box if you want to, not required. And she also asks for other extras if you'd like to see and pick and choose what you want for extra points. Well, I'm sending her an embellishment box. I'm going to send her some die cuts as well. I just wanted to get this video out because it's Halloween and it's the last day, and so I am doing the Halloween theme and wanted to get this out. So this is the embellishment box, and I'm still not finished with it. I added some cabochons that I'm sharing with her from my swap with Crafting with Fury. I'm also adding some skull beads in there, a gold and a white. These beads are not finished as well. I'm going to add some wires to it, and these are embellishments by Beadcraft Chick, and these are earrings, but I'm not sending her earrings. These are going to be made as charms, and I'm sending her some candy corn. I'm sending her some pom-pom balls, and these were a winnings from Bona, and I thought it went very well with this. And also some resin buttons. I believe those are resin buttons. I can't remember who sent that to me, but I'm sharing with her. I'm sending her some of those pumpkin witches from Target and some bows as well. And I'm sharing one of those bows as orange. That was in a swap with Sparkling Ghoul, and I'm sharing one with her. I love those so much. And so yeah, I like how this chain, everyone's using chains now. So I decided to jump on the bandwagon, and so I'm using the chain for Halloween. Well, that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed what I made. Crafty Mama Panda, please check her out. She will be linked below, as well as the channels that I mentioned that will be linked below as well. And this is the last of the Halloween, you guys. I'm very sad. Well, there is one more. I have a swap in November, Halloween in November, so stay tuned for that. But as far as a series, this is it. I enjoyed it, and happy Halloween, you guys. It's a really orange moon Halloween night here where I live, so have a great night, you guys. Bye. Video. Creepy Halloween moon, you guys. Look at this.
That's funny.
Oh,
That's not funny. That's creepy.
that is a creepy moon.